sa movie, Ching?
Hello, Love, Goodbye.
Okay, featuring
Catherine Bernardo and
Alden.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day.
Hi guys, how are you today? It's been a while since I uploaded my last video. So today na ako sa Robinson's Galleria Cebu kay Gilibre may og movie. So it's a local movie kanang kang Catherine Bernardo and Alden Richards. So since libre naman siya, so wala may choice or dili ako mag-choose. I think it's also been a while since nakita ko og Filipino movie or local nga movie sa sinihan. So I think this is a good opportunity for us to see and watch that movie. So online nakakita ko daghan kayong reviews, which is mga nindot kayo sila og feedback, and we'll see if we will feel the same or similar ba ito ang observation and feedback or comments sa movie nga itong tanawon later. So currently it's still 2:24 in the afternoon. My workmates will be joining with us later, about mga 3 or 3:30 pa sila maabot. So for the meantime, magsuroy-suroy na sa lang ta diri sa Robinson's Galleria. So see you later. Okay, so kapoy na kayo sa Lakaw-Lakaw. So for the meantime, while waiting, kaon sa Turkish shawarma. So this is my first time to eat Turkish shawarma, and hopefully mas lamig siya compared to Laylang. We'll see. iPhone kaya. Finish siya. I would say mas lamig siya compared sa Laylands, and ang price niya kay pare-parehara. This is 60 pesos or 65 with cheese na siya. So it's delicious. So kaon sa kuha. And we'll see you again probably later, makaabot na sila. And ito sila sukatan. Abot kami sa Daiso. So, abot na sa ilang message. And while doing that, I will also eat my shawarma. See you guys later! Hi guys, so we're here at Cinema 5. Hi, Rachel!
Hi guys!
Yes, so dagan kayo sila sa likod and kaninga movie sponsored by Adrenatics Fans Club sa Cebu. So, nagpaabot kami ni Tel Ruth and taon-taon. So, nagpaabot kami ni Tel Ruth. So, mga 4 daw mag-start ang movie and after natong tanaw, maybe we can give mga gamay na mga comments and feedback and review sa movie nga atong tanawon karon. Say title sa movie, Ching.
Hello, love, goodbye.
Okay, featuring
Catherine Bernardo and
Alden. So, sakpan kayo. Kati-join na video.
sorry guys, kay hindi kami office ha.
Tama pa kayo. So, later we'll see you again. Bye for now. Okay, pasulod na me. Sila.
Pero sayo mi Uy, hindi ko kailangan kong eyeglasses. Ano yung ganoon? Thank you to our sponsor. Give up video. Thank you to our sponsor.
Thank you to our sponsor.
Video nga. Thank you to our sponsor.
Thank you sa sponsor. Nara. Atubangan kami guys, second row. So, good luck.
Ay, dili na lang ka.
So,
Dili na lang ka.
Naasa deka. Dre, dol si... Dol si Catherine.
so more to siya. See you later. Okay, so we're done watching the film and nasi Richel. Isa'y mo yung makasulti, Chen.
Oh my God, like, the movie is so beautiful to end. Like, super excellent.
So well! Nanglan yung kamutanaw, grabe.
Kanina nakahila ko. Okay guys, so nindot siya nga movie actually and unlike any other movie.
Super good. Like,
We invite you guys to watch the movie and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Kita sa napapunduha.